All right, let's jump right into this explainer and figure out exactly how you can get real anti-aging results without spending more than 30 bucks. Look, the skincare market is absolutely flooded right now, with products promising you the fountain of youth, usually with a pretty outrageous price tag attached. But today, we are cutting straight through all that noise to find out what actually works on a budget.
Here's our game plan for today. First, the budget skincare reality. Then, our top picks for your skin, followed by crucial mistakes to avoid, and finally, the final verdict.
Section 1. The budget skincare reality. We need to start off by setting some realistic expectations for what $30 can actually get you.
So the absolute most crucial point is this. Budget creams are fantastic for fine lines, dullness, and uneven texture, but they are not overnight magic erasers. If a product claims it's going to instantly lift your face or completely erase deep expression lines while you sleep for $20, yeah, that's just marketing hype. Realistically, deeper lines usually require professional dermatological treatments. But with the right active ingredients, you absolutely can achieve visibly smoother, much healthier looking skin over time.
And to get those actual results, we have to look for proven active ingredients, specifically retinol. Retinol is basically the gold standard when it comes to over-the-counter anti-aging. It is highly effective at improving the look of fine lines and texture, but, and this is a big but, it demands patience. It's notorious for causing a bit of initial dryness or peeling as your skin adjusts to it. Knowing this upfront is key, so you don't just give up on a product after the first week.
Moving on to Section 2, top picks for your skin. It's time to meet your perfect skincare match. First up is our baseline standard, the RoC Retinol Correction Deep Wrinkle Night Cream. This stuff is fiercely focused on one thing purely, retinol and wrinkles. It's not trying to be a brightening cream, a luxury moisturizer, and your sunscreen all at the same time. It has one job, and it does it incredibly well while you sleep. This is literally the textbook definition of a targeted treatment. On the pro side, you have its clear focus and its stellar, long-standing reputation in the drugstore aisle. It's an unbelievable value if your skin tolerates retinol. But the cons are just as important to note. It is not for the faint of heart. If you have highly sensitive skin, the dryness or peeling from this formula might just be a bit too aggressive for you. So that begs a very common question. What if RoC is just way too strong? What if your skin gets red, flaky, or just generally irritated the second you even look at an active ingredient? Well, enter the Eucerin Q10 Anti-Wrinkle Face Cream. This is hands down our gentlest and safest bet for sensitive skin. Now, it isn't the flashiest jar on the shelf, but honestly, that totally understated nature is exactly why it's so highly recommended for delicate skin barriers.
What's really fascinating here is that by skipping retinol entirely, this cream provides an amazing alternative. It uses Q10, shea butter, vitamin E, and beta-carotene instead. And because it's completely free of fragrance, alcohol, and dyes, you get this highly comfortable, extremely low-risk moisturizer. The trade-off, naturally, is that the results are going to be a lot more subtle compared to a heavy-hitting retinol. We're talking about hydration and softening here, not deep correction.
Okay, but let's say you're somewhere in the middle. You want the anti-aging power of retinol, but you are absolutely terrified of that infamous irritation and peeling face. Where do you go from here? That's where the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Regenerating Cream comes in. This is your perfect middle ground match. It was basically engineered for people who want to dip their toes into the retinol waters without completely drying out their face. The secret to its success is that it smartly pairs retinol with hyaluronic acid. And let's quickly define hyaluronic acid because it's essential. It acts like a tiny sponge, drawing moisture straight into the skin and plumping it up. By combining this with retinol, it directly counteracts the retinol's potential for dryness, making the whole experience so much smoother.
Because of that built-in hydration support, this is a phenomenal gateway product. I actually highly recommend grabbing the fragrance-free version of this line to minimize any irritation even further. Just keep a close eye on the price tag, because depending on the retailer, this one can sometimes sneak just above our $30 budget limit.
Now, what if you want a product that feels a bit more, well, premium, without paying that premium luxury price tag? Look no further than the Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer. This one is for the person who wants their evening routine to feel like a spa treat rather than a clinical treatment.
This formula beautifully blends a retinoid complex with niacinamide, which is also known as vitamin B3, to create this wonderfully silky, elegant application. It's fragrance and dye-free, which we obviously love. However, the catch here is definitely the cost. You really have to watch the price tag carefully, as it frequently hovers right at or slightly over $30, so snagging it on sale is your best bet.
All right, we need to pause right here and address the absolute most critical part of fighting aging skin. It's a step that most people completely neglect while they are busy hoarding expensive night creams. I'm talking about daytime protection. The L'Oreal Revitalift Triple Power SPF 30 is our best daytime option because, frankly, sun exposure is hands down the biggest reason skin ages faster in the first place. You simply cannot ignore your daytime protection.
Like I always say, trying to fix wrinkles without using sunscreen is like fighting with one hand tied behind your back. It just doesn't work. This product is fantastic because it packs pro-retinol, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and broad-spectrum SPF 30, all into one highly practical morning step. Just remember, with any SPF product, you really must apply it generously to actually get that full factor 30 protection.
Section 3. Crucial mistakes to avoid. Let's dive into the fine print of budget skincare.
I've rapidly compiled the ultimate checklist to keep in mind before you hit the checkout button. Please remember that stronger does not mean better. If a harsh cream burns your face and you have to toss it out, that's a terrible value. Always start active ingredients slowly. Don't mix your day and night creams. Verify the exact product version you're buying, and definitely pay attention to hidden routine costs, like needing a solid basic moisturizer to support that new retinol. And above all else, always patch test a new product on a small area of skin first.
Finally, Section 4, the final verdict. Let's look at the blueprint for your new routine.
This breaks down the most realistic, fuss-free routine you could possibly ask for. Step 1, wash with a gentle cleanser. Step 2, apply your targeted moisturizer or wrinkle cream at night. And Step 3, absolutely always apply sunscreen in the morning. That is it, the whole shebang. Trust me, keeping it simple is infinitely more effective than buying 6 different random anti-aging serums and applying them with zero strategy.
So the crucial question I want to leave you with today is this. Are you going to take this blueprint and build a targeted routine based on what your unique skin actually needs? Or will you just blindly buy the next hyped-up, overpriced miracle cream the internet throws at you? The power and the savings are entirely in your hands. Thanks for hanging out with me on this explainer, and here's to making some truly smart